The original Terra Luna. Is it possible for this cryptocurrency to reach the $1 area in the future? Put your thumbs up if you agree that this is feasible. In this video, I want to discuss the possibility of a classic horror movie seeing a price spike. In what way is that even possible? Is there a time frame for this to occur? In addition, I have some news about the cryptocurrency industry overall that I'd want to share with you. We'll spend some time discussing the ways in which Terra, an alt standby, and the economy as a whole are being manipulated. Now we've covered the lunar classic, Bitcoin, and major economic factors twice for the price of one. Give it a resounding thumbs up if that appeals to you. And now, let's watch this thing. And gentlemen, let's check out the latest crypto bubbles graph. There's no doubt that some peculiar events have transpired in the last 24 hours. On the channel, I've been outing them as the bad guys. The second iteration of Luna is essentially a 197% increase, as you can see. A 20% decrease in Luna Classic prices. We've witnessed whales, or extremely wealthy investors, using this coin. And so, right there, we're either attempting to stomp on the value of Luna Classic or fill up on Luna 2.0. I'm not going to go with the flow with Luna 2.0, I'm sticking with Luna Classic. Is there anything else going on in the cryptocurrency market right now that you folks should know about? The price of Bitcoin has been experiencing some impressive price increases recently. Yes, this works quite nicely. And a rise in the price of cryptocurrencies is precisely what we had hoped. Bitcoin's value has increased by around 8% over the course of the last week, with a surge of around 4% during the course of the last day. Even the cryptocurrency market prices are looking up. They appear to be very ripe. This is really bullish at the moment. Around the 29 level, we made a traditional turn-in trade. Good news for the crypto community as a whole. MicroStrategy has therefore filed to raise as much as $500 million through the sale of stock in order to continue its massive investment in Bitcoin. He is one of the largest cryptocurrency investors, or crypto whales in the world, although all he does is buy and hold Bitcoin. That's the case, as it happens. The enormous liquidation of short bets in the cryptocurrency is another notable trend. Bitcoin's price surged during the past day, which is great news, and many traders covered their short bets. And if you're interested in earning money in cryptocurrencies, I can tell you that there are two techniques where you can make money so you can buy and keep long-term good quality projects like Terra Luna Classic, which I believe in. Specifically, that's plan number one. As a result, you're in possession of the buy/hold option. Additionally, I'm aware that many of you enjoy this type of thing. That channel has a lot of great shows, and I enjoy watching them. This is a tactic of which I approve. In the crypto market, that's the approach I take. However, trading volatility is another option, about which I may discuss more in the future as we continue this path towards financial freedom together on the channel. So, you can take advantage of short-term trading opportunities in cryptocurrency by purchasing coins here, selling them there, and pocketing the profits. Thus, you can employ leverage in any number of ways, including just piling onto your already sizable crypto holdings and hoping for continued market volatility. Therefore, relying on leverage might be dangerous. Again, though leverage trades in cryptocurrencies can result in substantial gains for those who are fortunate enough to be on the winning side. And it's the sort of the short-term option of crypto trading, and I hope to delve deeper into that on the channel. And if you're interested in signing up to a variety of exchanges that have free bonuses right there in the description of this video, you may trade some of this short-term volatility, such as in the Bitcoin price, without spending a dime. Read the articles by clicking the links provided. In addition, I'd like to detail the cost of a Luna Classic. There have been some impressive price increases for Bitcoin, but what is the current value of one Luna original coin? Further, I'd like to have a quick analysis of these prices performed right now. That's why we won't travel too far back in time. But you can check it out for yourselves right here. Long periods of stagnation have occurred, and Terra Luna Classic has been there the whole time. Starting in the latter half of August, we saw the first modest increases in the price of Luna Classic. This point, then, could be considered the tipping point. Right around here is where we received our first good pump, which brought us up to the 2800s. A second pump of ours has been brought up to the 4004 range. The true power of Luna Classic was recently demonstrated when we climbed to almost the 6000 level here. so this coin almost reached the $6,000 range, and that was extremely heartening to witness. At the moment, I believe that whales have been swimming in and out of Luna Classic, with some eventually making their way to Luna V2. The pressure of the whale sell-offs can be seen in this graph, which shows that they did, in fact, hit us. As a result, they were able to negotiate a price drop for Luna Classic to the $3,600 range. And right now, these four are where our focus is narrowing in on, in the tens of thousands at most. So, could the price of Luna Classic skyrocket? What are some plausible triggers to keep an eye out for? Taking a look at the chart, it appears that prices are stabilizing around the $4,000 mark. Nonetheless, I continue to hold the view that catalysts play a significant role in determining cryptocurrency price spikes. This allows for a great deal of technical investigation. Although I enjoy technical analysis, the success of Terra Linear Classic will depend on catalyst. I too believe the coming week to be crucial for terrorism. You should all be aware that there has been a significant increase in noise level. The pricing chart demonstrates this clearly. The 1.2% inflation rate is linked to the crypto market's volume. This is the trigger zone for Terra Luna Classic, and I anticipate significant change during the next week to 10 days. Could a bullish 1.2% burn be achieved for this cryptocurrency? How much of this cryptocurrency can we destroy if we burn 1.2%? It's a formula for Terra Luna Classic, as you all well know. For this cryptocurrency to succeed, we also need to focus on lowering a large quantity of DeFi money onto the network. In other words, once we reach the 1.2% burn up, the price of this cryptocurrency would likely surge. Finally, we require crypto chain projects. There will be additional impetus if we can get more projects to debut on Terra Luna Classic. To add insult to injury, we are still awaiting confirmation from the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Once again, the Binance conundrum will soon have an answer. When more information becomes available regarding other cryptocurrency exchanges, it could serve as a catalyst for price increases. Getting a 1.2% total burn from all of these figures would be completely insane. The stakes may be that high right now in Terra Luna Classic. Big changes are on the horizon. Then, I think the next 10 days will be quite intriguing. Again, it might also remain flat, or even go down with high reward, high risk cryptocurrencies. Therefore, I have never been threatened by the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Even though the price of Terra Luna Classic is currently around the $4,000 mark, I'm maintaining my optimistic outlook on the stock. It still possesses the crypto market's potential for a dramatic increase due to a number of underlying factors. This time, though, what do I observe? The original Terra Luna. In my opinion, its market cap has the potential to eventually surpass that of Dogecoin. Thus, the current valuation of Dogecoin is roughly $8.5 billion, whereas that of Terra